Danny, where are you going now? Danny?
With a warranty this
Danny?
future drivers will want to say too.
Danny? Danny girl? Where are you going? Danny? 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 Oh, Danny? Oh, Danny? Oh, Danny? Where is Danny? Where is my Danny? Wonder where she went. There she is! Hi, Danny! Hi! Oh, where did she go? Where's Danny? There she is! Hey, Dan! Where'd she go? Where is she? Hi, Danny! Oh, Danny! Hi, Danny! Hello, Dan! But where did she go again? Danny! Hi, Danny!
Can't imagine how Taylor will react.
Danny! Did I call you? I didn't call you. Oh, Danny! Hi, Danny! Hello!
Okay, wait a minute. How? Oh, no, it's nothing. I'm sure it's just her issues with me. I've always been the one who's stolen my phone and apparently I'm still doing that. Pushing even Liam and pushing him. Oh my gosh, that is so not true. But it's easier to believe that.
Silly, silly girl.
About you.
What's that?
I want about you.
You want to bump me?
About you.
Oh no. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh no. Here she got me. Boop. She got me with the boops. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Danny?
Bye-bye, Danny.
Love you.
Love you too, Danny.
Love you, Danny. I love you, Danny. I love you, Danny. I love you, Danny.
About